building a self-reliant industry while remaining open to global cooperation is a key priority for Vietnam. Against that backdrop, on Wednesday in Hanoi, an international conference on commercial vehicles and industrial equipment brought together global manufacturers and policymakers in Vietnam to deepen industrial partnerships and explore new opportunities for investment and technology cooperation.
Heavy industry is entering a new phase, which is shaped by decarbonization, digitalization, and shifting global supply chains. As manufacturers rethink where they invest, the search is no longer only for markets, but for long-term industrial partners.
More than 1,500 delegates from 62 countries and regions have gathered in Hanoi, bringing together manufacturers, suppliers, and policymakers around the same table. Beyond showcasing new technologies, events like these create opportunities to build industrial partnerships, expand supply chains, and explore new investment. For Vietnam, the challenge is how to translate those connections into high-value manufacturing and long-term industrial growth.
We will continue to improve our institutional framework and policies, enhance the investment and business environment, and effectively implement measures to create favorable conditions for both domestic and foreign enterprises. Strengthening cooperation with Vietnamese partners with a view to investing in and establishing manufacturing facilities in Vietnam remains a top priority as well.
Those priorities reflect Vietnam's broader strategy of attracting not only investment, but also technology, stronger supporting industries, and greater participation in regional manufacturing networks. As companies diversify production across Asia, Vietnam is positioning itself as a long-term industrial partner rather than simply a production base.
Southeast Asia is one of the fastest growing regions in the world. Vietnam is also one of the most typical representatives. The Vietnamese government hopes that its GDP will grow by double-digit this year. This is a very, very fast growth rate, so we chose Vietnam for this.
Vietnam aims to raise the share of processing and manufacturing in GDP from around 24.5% to 28% to 30% by 2030, while increasing localization rates in key industries to 40 to 45%. The real test will be whether Vietnamese enterprises can grow alongside foreign investment, supplying more components, adopting more technology, and moving into higher value segments of global manufacturing.